unfolding saga involving National Honor 23 player Kyle Butler and his controversial father, Craig Butler. I could have said what everybody else is saying. It is wrong for a father to be fighting his son and for a son to be fighting his father, to the point where cuts and bruises and blood is spilled. It wrong. Let the law take its course and leave it right there, sir. But there are bigger issues at play here. Now, first of all, there is a clear and present danger of parents trying to live vicariously through their children without even knowing it or admitting it. Craig Butler's relentless, almost lifelong pursuit of success for his son Kyle as a professional footballer has been this clumsy elephant in the room. Kyle, buckling under the pressure of his father's overbearing expectations and his subsequent alternative, almost rebellious choices, and his father's reaction to Kyle's reaction. Those dynamics are at the core of this now classic father-son conflict that is now spiraling out of control. If they can get some professional help and mend these broken fences, to God be the glory. If not, Father Craig will have to let go of the quest to live his dream through his son and allow Kyle, the son, the freedom to chart his own course and live his own life. If not, things are going to get a lot worse before they get any better.